Here's how to see other TikTok profile without them knowing. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna exactly show you how you can see other TikTok profile without them knowing. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, just simply open up TikTok. And once you're inside TikTok, just go to your profile. Once you're inside profile, just press on these three horizontal lines on the top corner. And then just go ahead and press on settings and privacy. And right over here, just go ahead and press on privacy again, and you'll see the option of suggest your account to others. So if you are like, you want to make it more like, sure, just go ahead and make your account more private and turn on this private option, and then just go to suggest your account to others and make sure these settings are turned off. Just simply turn them off, and there you go. Now, yeah, this is exactly it on how you can fix or see other TikTok profile without them knowing. And yeah, this is pretty much it. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.